Hey guys, this is Maria from ShobaySocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make GIFs from TikTok videos. Making GIFs from TikTok videos is much easier than you can think. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Log into your TikTok account and go to the Home tab. Find a video you would like to convert to a GIF. After that, click on the arrow icon on the right-hand side of the video. Go right on the bottom menu until you see the Share as GIF option and press on it. Hit the Generate button in the top right corner and wait until a video will be converted into a GIF. Keep in mind that a GIF will be automatically saved into your camera roll. That's it! Now you can share a GIF via WhatsApp, SMS, or any other app. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make GIFs from TikTok videos. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at ShobaySocial.com.